Hey guys, hope you had an amazing week. If you are new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe so that you never miss any of my northeastern style recipes, motorcycle and travel vlogs. And today we are going to cook a fish recipe with Katla. However, you can choose any carb with some baby potatoes and tomatoes. Now without further ado, let's check out the ingredients. Katla fish, baby potatoes, tomatoes, mustard oil, green chilies, onions, turmeric powder and salt. Now let's start cooking our Katla curry. First of all, marinate your fish pieces with salt and turmeric powder for 5 minutes. Now heat oil in a pan. Once hot, deep or shallow fry it until golden brown on both sides and keep aside. Now heat oil in a pan. Once hot, add your sliced onions, split green chilies, baby potato, turmeric powder and salt as per taste. Stir them well. Open cook them until the onions are cooked and the baby potato skin begins to shrink. This should take about 10 to 15 minutes on a low flame. Add your tomato. Stir and cook it for 5 minutes. Add 1 liter of water. Stir, cover and cook it for 10 minutes. Then add your fried fish pieces. Cover and cook it further for 15 minutes. Check if your potatoes are cooked by pressing one of them. Mine looks done. And just like that, our Katla fish curry is ready. Our Katla fish gravy with baby potatoes and tomatoes is looking really vibrant. And now it's time for me to dig in. Of course, I'm going to have it with some steamed rice. So just going to take this smaller piece of fish and lot of this gravy. It's little runny, but the consistency looks just perfect as how we want. Oops. Okay, let me leave this aside. I am going to make it all mashed, and let's see how the potatoes are. Oh yeah, they're perfectly boiled, and this is how we eat. We mash them as we... Oh, I'm just slurping, and yeah, we are going to make a thick mix of tomato, potatoes with the rice, and now it's the moment of truth. Mmm. Mmm. The potatoes made it really comforting, and you love how mushy it is as you press it down and mash them with the rice and tomato. I love the tomatoes tanginess, and also has a bit of sweetness to it. And I love the fish. I love the sweetness from the fish, and it goes perfectly well with the combination of tomatoes and potatoes. This dish is really wholesome, and I'm sure with additional sides and I'm sure with greens as its sides are gonna make it really nice and peppy, and also more wholesome than it is at this point in time. It's a burst of flavor, and what simple and humble vegetable coming together can really do. It's just magical. Do give it a try, and I hope you have enjoyed the recipe. Also, don't forget to share it with your family and friends, and leave your comments. Until then, see you soon.